All right. Today is Saturday, October the 19th, 2024, about 2 o'clock. I'm working on a 2011 or 2012 Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter turbo system. But as you can see, I already got the cylinder head on. Too bad I can't record while I do this job because I'm only doing it by myself. But I'm going to tell you what you need to do. Okay, let's step over here. Here's your cylinder head. As you can see, it's a brand new cylinder head with the camshafts already in. I bought it already assembled with the shafts, lifters, valves already in, everything. So all I had to do is just put the head gasket on, put the new bolts in, 12 bolts, torque them down, which is the, 26 foot-pounds. So it'll be 26 foot-pounds. You know, you got to go in sequence. You know, that's easily could be found. But here's your specs: 26 foot-pounds in sequence, first pass, and then 180 degrees, your second pass in sequence. So that's how you do those cylinder heads. Bolts. As you can see, I got the bracket on the back. Got the cams in time. Go over here. And it's a little piece down there at the bottom for the crank. You got to get it top dead center first. So if the cover's already running, you put it at top dead center. You put your pin in here, take out the plug, lock your crankshaft in position, and then you can proceed to come over here, put in your new crank sprocket, timing chain, your timing chain guide, which is on the right side. That would be those guide pins over there. Would be 15 foot-pounds. No, I say about 10 foot-pounds. 10 foot-pounds over here. Yeah, 10 foot-pounds on these bolts. About 15 pounds on that bolt here, and 15 foot-pounds on your tensioner right here. So 15 here, 15 here, 10 foot-pounds there. And put your guide pin, put your chain on. Leave these kind of like where they can move around. See that? This can't move. You know what I'm saying? It's already tight. Leave these half loose like that. So when you pull out the pin, that's going to put tension on the chain when you pull your pin for your tensioner. So with that being said, it's already done. I haven't pulled a pin out yet, so I'm about to pull that pin, put the front plate on, and tighten all these bolts here around here. Going to be 71 inch-pounds. So all your bolts, the only bolt that's different is one bolt down here that's longer than all the bolts that go around it. Then you got 4 bolts on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 big bolts down there. So those 71 inch-pounds around there, if you don't have a torque wrench, just do it by common sense. Usually I don't even use a damn I just look the specs up and I know when to tighten it up. But if you're just starting out, get you a manual and figure out get the specs from that. But anyway, though, let me go and put this plate on so I can go and put the thing in time. I'll show you that too. Peace out.